Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will see how we can create relative links in HTML. So what exactly do I mean by a relative link? Basically, currently right now, I just have the index.html page, which is one single HTML page, right? Now, for example, I create another page, for example, the about.html, okay? And I will just do the exclamation mark and hit enter. Let's add the title of about page, and here inside of the body I will create the h1, or not the capital H. Let's do a small h1, and do about page and add a paragraph element of lorem. Okay, all right. So we have the about page here. So now what I want to create a link to go to this about page. So how I can do that? So here under this element, the anchor element, I will create another anchor element. Okay, so a tag, and VS Code will automatically create the href for me. So I will get back to this href in a moment. So I will just say here about page. Okay, and what exactly do I put inside of this href? So what I have to do, basically I have to go to this particular folder, which is this HTML course folder. Inside of the same folder I have the about.html page. Okay, so to indicate like, hey, go to the same folder as this particular folder where the index.html is present, we have to do /. Okay, and now inside of VS Code we are having the auto completion for our pages. So we have the index.html page and we have the about.html page. So I will do about.html. Okay, hit save. Now go to my browser. As you can see, we are having this another link, and depending on the placement, as you can see, the anchor element is an inline element. Okay, because both of the anchor elements are in the same line. Okay, and also by inspecting inside of the DevTools as well, as you can see, the blue box is spanning across the content of the anchor element, not the full width of the page or full width of the container basically. Okay, so if I just click on this about page, as you can see, we are going to the about page here, which is awesome. So in that way, we can create the relative links inside of HTML. Now, for example, I have created another page inside of a folder. So I will create another folder called contact, and inside of the contact folder, I will create another HTML file. Let's say contact.html. Okay, I will create another page here. So contact. Okay, let's do Control B. Okay, all right. And inside of the h1, let's do contact page. Okay, and let's do another p tag and do lorem. Okay, all right. So as you can see, we are having our contact page. Now what I want to create another link which goes to the contact page. So how I can do that? So let's create the link of a tag, and I will just go to here and say something like contact page. Okay, now the question is, what exactly I put up inside of this particular URL or this particular href attribute. So what exactly I have to put here? So just like previously, what I'll do, I'll just do /, and now inside of VS Code you will see we have the about.html, we have the index.html, and then we have the folder of contact. So I can do something like this, contact, and inside of the contact I have the contact.html. Okay, hit save. Now if I go to the browser, go to here and refresh. So as you can see, we are having the about page, and also we are having this contact page as well. So if I just do that, we are getting to the contact page here. Okay, awesome. So in that way, we can create the relative links. So as you can see, if we want to create a relative link for some particular web page which is inside of a folder, what we have to do, we have to first write the folder name, and then inside of the folder, by using a forward slash, we have to use the name of our HTML document here. For us, it is contact.html. So if I just do something like this, it will not work. Okay. So if I just do that, as you can see, like, hey, cannot get contact.html. Okay. So it will not work. To work, we have to just add the contact folder name, and then we have to use the contact.html. Okay. So if I just do that, as you can see, contact page is here. Okay, awesome. So in this way, we can create the relative links in HTML.